Hey bitches! Okay, you can like barely see me, so we're gonna... Is this gonna work? Wow, she's a DIY queen! Can you see me? Wow, yes. Queen. So guys, we are in the car and it's nighttime because it's almost 10 o'clock here and I'm doing this at this time of the hour. But we're in our car because I am doing a video on how to prepare for Halloween. Oh my god. We're in the car, we're going to Walmart, and I know you guys are like, why aren't you going to Target? First of all, bitch, we're in Canada, we don't have that. Second of all, Target's expensive and we're on a budget, okay? So we're trying to be cheap. So yeah, we're gonna go there and then, oh my god, I look really shiny and we'll be back, okay? Okay. Save money, live better. Alright guys, I just finished. The first step is to get candy, and you want to get the best, most expensive, yummiest candy. So I like these. They're $17. It's still cheaper than Target, so got you there. Save money, live better. You guys are probably thinking, wow, Rick, you're so nice. You're spending all that money on kids. No, this is for us. Okay, we're gonna eat this shit at home and turn off the lights at home. Okay, so this is for us. Got the fun house here going on. Yeah, so this is my friend Frank, because I don't have friends. So, it just farted. It's on the toilet. Stop! The good thing with Walmart is they have all these costumes, right? But the best part is if you're not satisfied, you can return it. So basically what you can do, you can buy it the day before Halloween and then return it the day after Halloween. So you're saving money and you're living better. Some very good choices. This would be Brittany's choice because she loves ramen. Pickle man.
You don't have it on properly. You're the worst at wearing costumes because the thing is off your head.
Call me Pickle Man.
I'm gonna eat you.
So we got more costumes here. So basically, Halloween is just an excuse for people to dress up like hoes. Guys or girls, doesn't matter, your choice. You know, people will tell you, you're 19, you're too old to be watching Disney movies. No. Some hocus pocus, okay, bitches? And Halloween Town. This was my ish back then. So we're gonna watch some Halloween Town. We're gonna get all of them. We're not gonna actually buy them because we're poor. But yeah, double trouble something. You guys know the Olsen twins? Yeah. But yeah, basically, Halloween Town is the bomb. Oh, and if they have Twitches, buy the Twitches. Okay? So yeah, get that. So if you want some thriller in your life, you guys want some Chucky, have some nightmares, go right ahead, your choice. You can watch American Horror Story, that's some freaky shit. So yeah.